The Centers for Disease Control have issued a contagious disease warning for Broward County, Dade County, Lee County, and Monroe County. A deadly disease was formed in a lab located in Monroe. This disease has the ability to completely take over the body. This disease causes people to have a hunger for flesh. This disease is airborne, meaning it can travel through air and water supply. Do not drink or use water from the tap. Repeat. Do not use water from the tap. Use bottled water only and have non-perishable food in case of evacuation of Florida. Repeat. This virus is airborne. Do not attempt drinking from the tap. This is CDC Florida. We will keep you updated on this situation.